Hello, this is Billy Core from home of CarolinaCircleMall.com. The conclusion of Freddi Fish in the case of the missing kelp seeds.
That old shipwreck has held so many treasures over so many years.
We're looking for Grandma Grouper's treasure.
Good luck, mates.
Go ahead to the ship now.
Hey, Freddi, what do you think is behind that window? Look, Luther! Grandma Grouper's kelp treasure is in there! Yes! Now I'm gonna be rich, rich, rich! Luther, Grandma Grouper's kelp treasure is for everyone to share. And besides, the window is closed and it's much too heavy to open. If we can find a handle for the crank, we could crank open the window and swim inside. Let's go find a crank handle.
Okay, now I gotta go find that crank handle. It's kind of interesting the way you have to do it, as you'll see in a moment. And Humongous Entertainment Games have always had a way to advertise other games inside a certain game, as you'll see in a moment when I click this. See, there's Fatty Bear, a game we'll look at pretty soon. There's Fatty Bear again.
That clutch might come in handy.
Arrgh, you little ones. I'm Phineas McFinn,
He's about to
the
sing.
finest sailor on the seven
I never
seas.
cared much for the singing parts of these
Arrgh.
games.
Arrgh! There's just one word that says it all. Arrgh! Arrgh when I'm happy. Arrgh when I'm sad. Arrgh when I'm good or bad. Arrgh! Arrgh to port. Arrgh to starboard. Arrgh from stem to stern. Arrgh! Arrgh, you swabby. Arrgh! And a yo-ho-ho, hum-hum, my chum. Arrgh! What's that you say? Arrgh! I can't hear ya. Arrgh! One more time. Arrgh! Very good. Excellent. In fact, arrgh! Arrgh! The handle is broken. Arrgh!
Drop
If you could
microphone.
find old Phineas another musical instrument, I would gladly trade you this useless crank handle.
Okay, we're gonna go get that little guitar thing from that other pirate a while back and trade him for that crutch. There you go.
Would you like this crutch?
Aye! Me old crutch. Thanks, matey. Now I don't need this old mandolin. Would you like it?
Oh, it's a mandolin.
Please, thanks. Phineas, here's another musical instrument for you.
Great. Here, take this crank handle.
Thanks, Phineas.
Arrgh! There's just one word
Okay, we
that
gotta go
says it
through this
all.
song again.
Arrgh! Arrgh when I'm happy. Arrgh when I'm sad. Arrgh when I'm good or bad. Arrgh! Arrgh to port. Arrgh to starboard. Arrgh from stem to stern. Arrgh! Arrgh, you swabby. Arrgh! And a yo-ho-ho, hum-hum, my chum.
Why don't I always picture
What's that you say?
Tim Allen from Home
I
Improvement
can't
whenever I
ya.
hear this song?
Arrgh! One more time. Arrgh! Very good. Excellent. In fact, arrgh!
It would have been funny if he broke a string on there or something.
Let's go get Grandma Grouper's kelp seed. Hot dog, I'm gonna be rich! We found Grandma Grouper's treasure chest! Grandma Grouper's kelp!
And the rest of the game is just pretty much one more cutscene, that's it. No more clicking involved.
Uh-oh.
Told you we'd find the treasure, boss.
Okay, you two. Hand over the treasure.
No! Grandma Grouper's kelp seeds are for everyone to share.
But we gotta take the treasure to the Squid Father so we can grow some kelp.
If we share the seeds, we can all grow kelp.
Share the kelp seeds? Gee, boss.
The kelp seeds are for everyone.
Wait. I got an idea. We can share the kelp seeds.
Great idea, boss.
Yes! Yay!
Let's go tell the Squid Father we're all going to share.
Yeah, like he's gonna listen to that. Hey, we're gonna share this kelp seed. Isn't that great, Squid Father? Yeah, cause surely he'll just squirt ink on him again.
Yay! You found the treasure!
Freddi, you found the treasure!
I saved your treasure, Grandma Grouper. Well, okay, Freddi helped a little, but I figured it out. I was very brave.
Oh, I'm sure you were, Luther.
And after this game, Luther was named Mr. Modesty 1994, believe it or not.
Yeah! I was very brave, Grandma Grouper. There was these big mean sharks. There must have been 50 sharks. I was dodging left and right, swimming loop-de-loops.
I'm so proud of you both. Why don't we go inside so you can tell me all about your adventure?
Okay, that's all for Freddi Fish and the Case of the Missing Kelp Seeds. Next, we'll take a look at Putt Putt Joins the Parade. Now, this is Billy Core signing off on January 26, 2010. Let's play with a few fish here and Bubbles, and we'll close out.